Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change theme music in Idle Heroes game. If you want to change your theme music that plays on the background while playing Idle Heroes, first of all launch open Idle Heroes application on your smartphone and tap on the three horizontal menu button at the bottom right from the main screen. In the pop-up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Sound on the left. Under Sound, scroll down and look for the Music tab and choose a different music of your preference you want to change to. After you pick a theme music, you can get back to the game and start playing. So that's how you can easily change your theme music or your background music in Idle Heroes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.